Blessings and welcome, my sisters and brothers, to the Law of One study group, conscious channeling of LL Research, messages of unity, love, and light from the Confederation of planets in service to our one infinite Creator. And who are those of the Confederation? According to an entity called Hatonn, who has spoken with our group and several others for many years, the purpose in being here of at least some of the UFOs that are seen in our skies at this time is much like the purpose that we might have in sending aid to a disaster-stricken or extremely impoverished country. It is a desire to be of service. Those of Hatonn say, "We have been contacting people of planet Earth for many of your years. We have been contacting at intervals of thousands of years those who sought our aid. It is time for many of the people of this planet to be contacted, for many now have the understanding and the desire to seek something outside the physical illusion that has for so many years involved the thinking of those of this planet. The process we are stimulating is one which is self-generating. As more and more of those who desire our contact receive it and pass it on to others, then those who receive this passed on information will then themselves be able to reach a state of thinking and understanding sufficiently in tune, shall I say, with our vibrations in order to receive our contact. For this, my friends, is how contacts work. It is first necessary, if the entity is to be able to receive our contact, for him or her to become of a certain vibration as a result of his or her thinking. This is greatly speeded by involvement in groups such as this, and then it is finally done through meditation. In other words, the verbal communications given to the entity by the channels, such as this one, create a system of thought and a desire for spiritual awareness that raises her or his vibration. We of the Confederation of Planets in the service of the Infinite Creator are very sorry that we cannot step upon your soil and teach those of your people who desire our service. But, my friends, as we have said before, this would be a very great disservice to those who do not desire our service at this time. And we are afraid we would have little effect in bringing understanding even to those who desire it. For understanding, my friends, comes from within. We can only guide. We can only suggest. We are attempting to do this in such a way that the seeking of the individual will be stimulated to turning his or her thinking inward to that single source of love and understanding, the Creator. That is part of us all, part of everything that exists. For everything that exists, my friends, is the Creator. We are very privileged to have you join with us in this great service at this time in the history of your planet. For this is a very great time, a great transitional period in which many of the Earth's people will be raised from their state of confusion to a simple understanding, the love of their Creator.